Hi everyone, I'm Mohit Ahuja from NoDisability.org, and I was just looking at the No Disability YouTube channel, and I just want to really thank you all. I think it was last Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not sure, it hasn't even been a week since we put up the video on YouTube about how we are starting tutorial sessions for the superhumans, for the differently abled from 2nd October 2020. And we already have more than, it's been 6 days as YouTube says, we already have more than 2000 views, 373 likes, 312 subscribers and 114 comments, and there have been parents and siblings and teachers and special educators who've reached out to me personally on my phone, through the No Disability website, through YouTube, and everybody has just supported this. So it is not about the numbers as much for me as it is about the number of lives that we're going to change with this. The amount of parents जो बहुत थक गए हैं with the society telling them that the kids can't do much, and I'm very happy that एक पागलपन जो हम कर रहे हैं, it is getting that support and love from all of you. Just that don't give up on us. We are going to work together. I'm trying to answer, and I'm going to answer each and every comment that is coming. I'm going to address each and every query that you guys are putting up for me. I'm going to help your kids become great photographers, and I have no expectation in return. I just want them to become great photographers, much more than a piece of diagnosis, much more than a piece of paper, and much more that the society told them. So together, let's do it. 2nd October onwards, we'll be there. We're already working on the videos. We've already started shooting, and we'll be putting up videos from 2nd October, and we'll be addressing each and every query. So all the parents, I can take a lot of names, but I've replied to each one of you individually, and I will keep doing that. And let's just keep working on these guys. Together, let's make this happen. Let's make this mad, crazy dream come true. Together, let's do it. And don't forget to still, the war is on. It is not going to happen overnight. We will have to work together on this. So please don't forget to share this with anybody you think who is related to disability, or even if you think he is not. आप शायद किसी को नहीं जानते जिसकी फैमिली में डिसेबिलिटी हो, लेकिन शायद वो किसी को जानता हो जिनका कोई डिसेबिलिटी से डील करता हो, and somebody who is looking for a solution. I'm not saying this is the best solution we have. I'm not saying this is the only solution, but this is a solution, and this is a life of respect. So let's do that together. And thank you all. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. This really means a lot. Thank you.